Good day everyone. Today I'll be reviewing a product that I think everybody wants to have one. This product has been in the market for almost a month now. I'm lucky enough to got one for myself, and the package has arrived today. Let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, so this package will have one bullet cartridge just for you to keep the shell, one gun with one mag inside, and also one stack of bullets. But as for me, when I was doing the ordering, I actually ordered extra 2 more stacks of bullets and 1 more extra mag. Just in case, if any of you want to know what's the name of this product, it's gonna be this. I do not know how to read Chinese, so if anyone knows, please leave down a comment and let us know what you write on the box. Okay, back to the Glock. The material for this whole gun is made out of plastic, every single part of them, and the size is definitely same with the real life Glock. Oh, and the magazine, plastic as well. The bullet, yeah, plastic as well. It's just gold plated. This mag says it can fit 8, so yeah, we'll give it a try. I've taken out all the bullet. Now let us just reload the mag. So as you can see, that this mag says that it only can fit in 8. I'm not sure if you can see that number, but it looks like it still have a space for 1 more. So let's try. We fit the 9 bullet. Oh, fits like a glove. Okay. Okay, the moment of truth. We will try out if the 9 bullets can smoothly eject all the way out, because just now when I put in the 9, it's kind of like tight. So there we go. I'm actually quite surprised that this gun have slight lock, we call it, because when most the gun that we have nowadays, it doesn't lock even though when your bullet runs out, but this one is just lock. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that this whole gun is made out of plastic, so we're gonna wait and see how heavy the gun is. Fully loaded. So the whole gun weighs around 150 gram. Yeah. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this gun. Kind of like stimulates what a real gun does. My only complaint will be the weight, because right now it's too light. So for the company that make this gun, I really hope coming in the future you will have more model for us, such as a submachine gun rifle or maybe even sniper rifle. It will be really cool to have them. So that's it guys, my video has come to an end. I hope to see you again. If you like it, please subscribe. I'll see you guys again.